Hello beautiful people and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing and review to the Toscido x104, and this is a really affordable tablet, and I think it's really good for its price. I think it's around $100 or something like that. And yeah, I'm really excited to see what's in the box, how the unboxing experience is for such a tablet, and yeah, let's get right on with the unboxing and the review. So as you can see on the table, we have the box of the tablet, and I really like this artwork. It's matte black, and we have a few buildings with like some binary code. If any one of you can check it out, let me know in the comments what it means. To the right side it says just Toscido, and on the bottom left it says T-pad, and that's about it. On the sides Toscido, and yeah, again, and that's it. On the back side, as we can see, it says again the tablet name, and you can read all the text over here. But to the right, as we can see, it says the tablet name, and it's the x104 EEA. And as we can see, the system is Android. It's got 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of memory. And yeah, that's about it. I'm really curious to see how the tablet looks inside. And yeah, let's see how it's gonna look like. Now let's open the tablet. And we just have to take out the cover, the top cover. And as you can see, this is the tablet. It's in silver, and I really like it, but let's set it to the side and let's look what we're gonna have in the box. We have a quick start guide and a few more things, as you can see, but nothing that important. We also have over here how to properly install a standard SIM card, and we have instructions step by step, and I think that's really neat because you're gonna know how to do this setup if you can't figure it out, and it's in many languages, as we can see. Let's see what do we have in this little package. And to the left side, let's see what do we have. I think it's the charger, and let's see what do we have. USB, the normal USB or USB-C. Really impressed about it. It's USB-C, and yeah, it's gonna charge the tablet probably really fast. Yeah, I'm really impressed about this thing. Let's see this little charger. How many watts do we have? Okay, apparently it's got no branding, and let me tell you, to this part, I think you can see it, switching power adapter, and it says that it's got 5 watts. Yeah, it's gonna take a while to charge our tablet, but you know, at least you got USB-C, so you can use a whole lot of accessories. Probably if you want to use a mouse or something like that, it's gonna be pretty easy. We also do have in the box a little cover, and I think that's really neat, and it's, you know, a little bit of attention to detail. So yeah, this little cover, it's foldable just like that. It's like a book, and if we take this protector out, it's, you know, made from TPU, and for the price that we get the tablet, to get another cover, I think that's great. And now let's see how the tablet is gonna fit in this cover, and we are gonna turn it on to see how it's gonna be, fast or slow. So as you can see, this is the tablet, and it's got the aluminum backing. Also we have the model name, and I think this is where you're gonna use the SSD and the little SIM card. Yeah, and this is where you're gonna put it. And the great part about this tablet is that, you know, for this price you also get an tablet with 4G, and you can take it out and just use it, not just you know, a Wi-Fi tablet. And let's see, over here I think is the button. To the right, the power button, a microphone, and also the volume buttons. 3.5mm jack. Here we have the camera, and to the left side of the tablet we have nothing. And let me see, you are gonna charge it over here with the USB-C. So now I just put the tablet in this little case, and as you can see, this is how it's gonna look like. And I feel like this is the best way to use this tablet, you know, with a cover. And it's fully covered. You don't have to worry about it dropping on the floor or stuff like that. You know, probably it's not the best way to drop your tablet, but it's got the camera cut over here, and the USB-C port to be really easy accessible, and also the 3.5mm jack. And yeah, that's about it for this little cover. As you can see, it's pretty simple, and you know, it's useful. It's free on the box, so why not use it? Let's turn it on. We have a little animation, as we can see, and I'm very curious. It looks really nice. I didn't expect it to be that smooth, but yeah, I'm really impressed. Let's see the notification center. Yeah, the tablet is really smooth, and I think, you know, if you are like a student or you know, a kid that's got online classes, you can just turn it on and use Google Classroom or whatever, you know, your teacher is demanding. And you know, it's a great tablet. I think the battery is gonna last a while. I'm not sure how many milliamps it's got, but yeah, for $100 it's a pretty solid tablet. I also like the fact that this screen is not all the way to the side, because you can hold it like this if you want to play, you know, racing games or stuff like that, or you just want to hold it and not worry about touching anything. So yeah, this is the unboxing and the little review. I hope you liked the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Be well, be safe.